equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor and filters in your Dyson DC08 vacuum cleaner. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson DC08 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. With the back cover removed, you will see the motor compartment. Now, let's focus on the motor. Disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the motor. Be careful not to damage any wires. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 3 screws that hold the motor down. Once these are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the compartment. Take a moment to clean the area around the motor with a soft brush to remove any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the efficiency of your vacuum. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place the new motor into the compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. With the motor installed, let's move on to the filters. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually found near the top of the vacuum. Open the compartment and remove the old filters. It's advisable to clean the filter area with a soft brush as well. Insert the new filters into the compartment, ensuring they fit snugly. Close the filter compartment securely. Now, it's time to reassemble the back cover. Align it properly and press it down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws at the back to secure the cover. Remember, you can always get a quote before repair if you prefer to have a professional handle it. Once everything is back in place, plug your Dyson DC08 back in and give it a test run. You should notice improved suction and performance. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner significantly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.